Good day guys and welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll show you how to reply to an email in Gmail. So if you want to do this, make sure to open it up first. So as you can see, I have this little shortcut on my taskbar that will lead me exactly into the Gmail. So let me open up my mail first. Alright, so for example, I'm opening up my Gmail and as you can see, now I have multiple of my mails. And you can only reply to emails that are allowed to be replied to. So for example, some of the mails that you will get, they are only the system mails and they actually are not, you won't be able to reply to them. So for example, if I open up this OpenAI one, right? So I can actually reply to it, but they won't receive this reply from me. And also sometimes if you receive emails, you will get a no reply or don't reply name and subject of a certain mail. So just be sure to understand that if it's just promotional or ads stuff, you won't be able to reply to it, or should I say they won't see it. So for example, there you go, XTB, you won't be able to do it. But if you wish to reply to a personal email, right, when the person messages you, you just click on reply. As you can see, we are now replying at the real time. And now you can just type in, for example, hello. And when you click on send, you will send them this word or this text. They will receive it as well. And just like you, they will be able to view it and read it. And they will respond to you if they so desire. So once again, just press on reply below and you can just type in your text, attach files, links, images, etc. and then press on send like this. There you go. And now I've replied to it and it's successfully sent in a few seconds. So enjoy replying to emails, guys. If this helped you out, help me out as well on my channel by pressing like on the video and subscribing, and thank you for watching.